Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 10, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which comes provided with the device and the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, string on one at the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. The insert pin or hole for it is on the edge right here. I'm gonna push it in, and you can see that the tray comes out just enough for you to be able to yank it out. Now it looks like we also have SD card support in here, so I'm gonna grab that first. Now we can place on this tray, which is I believe the bottom of it, right? Let's just quickly check. Yep, so the bottom of it accommodates SIM or SD card. Now, if you're planning to use dual SIM, you would just place one at the bottom like this, which is sideways. But if you're planning to use one of each, which is what I will be doing, you can then place your SD card on here. There we go. Make sure it's clipped in correctly. If you flip it over and the card falls out, then that means that it wasn't clipped in correctly. And then our SIM card. There we go. Again, make sure that this one is clipped in as well. And you can then insert it back into your device. Both of these cards should start working right away, which I already have reception, so this SIM card is working. And I guess I'm gonna go into the settings and storage just to show the SD card. And you can see it's right here. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.